Look at all the bagels. Thank you.
We're gone. I want to race, bro. Alright.
Don't drop this bagel. Good morning, everyone.
Bagel time. Who that guy? Ready for some bagels, bro?
It's like 6 in the morning, dude.
Hey, I already told him it's 8 a.m. With a freaking
Inside the bagel shop. Wrapped it. Bam! It shut off.
Did he look at it? Looking at it?
No.
So trash, guys. My bagel's gone.
It's all down.
I would eat the bacon. Eat the bacon. The bacon's still good.
Nah.
I wipe these floors like once every 6 months. 30 years ago.
Gotta get my cereal done, yes.
Oh, this? Yeah. No, I got it.
It's in your butt. It's in your butt.
This is a mess, bro. I thought that guy was gonna get mad. He's like yelling, and I like walk over there. I'm like, what is he yelling about? He's like, Jordans are so expensive now, man. Like, oh, thank God. I thought someone was gonna fight me, bro. We don't fit in here, as you can see. It's all 18-wheelers.
Yeah. Small rigs. We got small rigs. We got big dogs over here.
Jordan, pass me my phone real quick. The moment you all been waiting for. This was our first vlog, huh? Dang. Just about a year ago. Dang, it's been a year since we did a container. The year before that, we did 6 containers. COVID has screwed everything. This is by far the most stuff I've ever brought in from Japan. It's like, there's like 500 items or something. It's crazy. It looks really bad. This is bad. Nothing Eric at West Jones Auto can't fix. I probably should have bought all new aero for this car before I shipped the container, but I didn't know it was this bad. Dude, this freaking store is screwed. Something happened to it.
Secret handshake? It goes tap, nut tap.
This is insane. Huh? 249? No, that's mine. That's BTR floor initial. These are huge. It's like Christmas, dude. It's like Christmas. Body panel, 260. Oh, this is Coda. Hey, Aristo stuff.
$259.
All right, we officially got one pallet thing unloaded. 70 more to go.
These are different. Advent.
Trying to steal your footage, dude. You got the shot, so I'm trying to take the shot. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you so I steal all your shots.
Oh, what's up?
Dude, good shot, dude.
Wheel and tire long champs. How are those long champs?
Pretty heavy.
These are huge long champs, bro.
Oh, snap. That can't be good. Oh. He's dead. I don't know if it's broken.
Basically unloading to load and then to unload again.
Don't tell Josh I'm stealing his seat.
You guys give me a bump start.
There's no, it won't even turn on.
This thing is clean.
Oh, you didn't try to pop it. Shut up!
This is it. Can't get up the bitch.
Good job, Jordan.
Good job, Jordan.
This is the car that I traded Gabe for his Levin. One's at the paint shop. Idiot. Hey man, Levin's worth way more than this.
You got a BN kit for it already.
Hey. I like my hatchback Treno better than 11 Coupe. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it.
I did too, but
It's okay. Me and Josh, we just trade cars. It doesn't matter.
You're out of here.
we's out. That was something I never want to do ever again. I don't ever want to do this. I don't know why I do this.
Guys, go unfollow Baron's Garage.
I think this might be my last container. I might just do parts from now on. We have to unload all this stuff. I don't think you guys understand. This is insane.
This is on boxy?
Scary. Get off the freeway.
We're not joining. This thing's pretty clean though, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll trade you. I'm 9 grand in. I'm 9 grand in. Oh no, it's not close.
And then your wheels, 12 grand.
Bro, you see how this money slips away with cars too? It's just like you're living in Philippines for so long and George's like, I just spent 9,000.
This thing's not even locked.
She didn't know why. I don't know if you guys remember that last vlog, Josh. Talking all that smack.
Gabe, you did a splendid job
Nah, dude, it's just like that.
locking the trailer.
I wanted to just lock the front, make sure, you know, it can come down fast.
Practice what you preach.
You can't put the tables together.
Bridge. Yeah. Hey, you want to talk to Rob? Rob, you want to talk to Josh?
Ask Josh if he likes me as a friend.
Hey. Rob was wondering if you like him.
Let him know I'm still thinking about it.
Yeah, what'd you guys order?
Round 2.
They collected ours. It don't look like yours.
It was like this high.